So I'm going to show you how to make a reel. So this would be your Facebook page, and you can either click at the top where it says stories or reels. Then you can click create a reel, or bottom right, 3 lines, and then click reels, and then click your little face in the top right. And then there's create a reel. It shows you your reels. It tells you your saved ones, your liked ones, your saved audio. It shows you how many followers, all the things, right? So we're going to create a reel. And now this is where you can add, you can go to your camera roll and you can add videos from here. You can change it and go to whatever. Or at the top, you can see where it says camera top left, and we're going to pick that. And we're going to make a ketone reel. Hey, well, we can make any reel that you want, but we're going to talk about ketone one, right? So we're going to pretend like I'm going to make one. I'm not going to actually post it because I'm explaining to you guys what to do. So there's different things that you can play with. There's a timer. If you click the timer, then you'll get a little bit of time before you start. And that way you don't have to ever be seen touching the screen. Does that make sense? And then you can see here, you can do audio, add some, change the speed, all the things, right? Just do the normal thing right now, and then you can play with it later. So I'm going to do the timer so you can see. You just set the timer 3 or 10 seconds. We'll do 3. And then when I press play, you'll see the countdown. I'm so excited. So first of all, I have a 22% off referral code for you guys. I'm so excited. Look, so I drank it. It's gone. But these have given me so much mental clarity and like focus over the last, oh my goodness, I can't even tell you. But I got a coupon, so I wanted to share with you. So if you would like it, you drop 22 in the comments over there, and make sure you're following me so that I can actually message you back, because you know it's a little bit crazy over here. And I just can't wait. I can't wait till you try them. They taste good. They put you in ketosis in 60 minutes or less. This one you don't even have to mix with water. You just chug it. Think of a 5-hour energy to gain the energy, except it's good for you. There's not a ton of caffeine. It's only equivalent to like a cup of coffee. What you get the energy from is actually being in ketosis. So that's the best part. And then your mind, the focus is so incredible. I am over the moon about it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you want a coupon to try it, drop 22 and make sure you're following me, and I'll get back with you. And then what you're going to do is you're going to stop it. Okay, I'm so excited. And there's your thing, so and you can add all different things. You can add music, voiceovers. However, what we want to do is we want to save it. So you see where it says save, and there's a down arrow. Have given me so much mental clarity. Save as a draft. It will stay on Facebook. But before we post it, we want to save it so that we can use it on different platforms. We can use it on TikTok. We can use it on Instagram. So we're going to click download. Okay, it'll tell you when it's downloaded. You wait till it's done. I'm in the screen sharing. Okay, and make sure you're following me so that I can actually message you back. Because so when you go to next, that's where you actually post. You're going to put your captions, your hashtags, all the things. Make sure this says public. You want to make sure it's public. And sharing to Instagram. I don't share to Instagram from Facebook. I only share from Instagram to Facebook. And then you press share, right? Well, because I downloaded it, now it's going to be here. And it's 1 minute, 7 seconds. And then if I wanted to go over to my TikTok, I can just click the plus. Then I go to upload bottom right. And then my video is here. And I don't have to take off any watermark or anything. I can cut it. I can put words on it. I can do whatever I want. Okay. And then also the same for Instagram. If you want to use the same thing over here, you just click that. Click reel. Bottom left with the little plus. And then you can grab your video and you can edit it. You can, cut it. You can do whatever you want. I'm so excited. That's super simple. First of all, I hope that helped. Let me view myself again. I hope that helped. If you have any questions, get back with your sponsor. You should be doing these short form videos. At least you should be doing them daily, and you're going to start to get used to doing them with, about your life, about the product, and about all the things. We're giving you a template to go off of, and I can't wait because these are the videos that bring the most leads. So when you're trying to find new people to get them on your page and get the product and get in your life, this is where you're going to get them from. It's a short video. So go, go, go. I'm so excited.